First up, we're in Hawthorn East, an inner-city suburb of Melbourne. Dee is meeting with Andrew, Director of Building Under Construction, and Elaine, Interior Designer from EGH Styling, for a tour of this spectacular home. Art Deco inspired, touches of Miami, and a little bit of that Melbourne edge.
This is absolutely stunning. As soon as I walked in the front gate there, that amazing huge palm tree, and then I'm walking in and we've got this beautiful staircase and grand pianos. You've really done a beautiful job here.
I think it's a credit to the architects and the clients. They've come up with an amazing design, very modern and, you know, almost a Miami-inspired house with the palm tree, the curved wall, and some of the architectural features. It's been an amazing project to be a part of.
Almost feels like a really beautiful boutique hotel.
Yeah, it's very luxurious in its finish. I think the styling is very on point with the trends right now, and the stone floor finishes and everything in here really ticks all the boxes, I think.
And Elaine, so you've come up with all these amazing interiors.
Thank you. Yes, I have, and it's been a really exciting project to work on. Hasn't been without its challenges, but it's been a really fantastic project and I've really enjoyed it.
So I absolutely loved walking through the front door and seeing this spectacular staircase. It's really beautiful.
I'd have to credit the architects for something like this. They've done an amazing job with designing such a luxurious space in here with the open staircase and the open rooms.
And Elaine, I think I've got you to thank for all of the gorgeous artwork that I'm seeing here and this beautiful light fitting as well. What can you tell me about the influences for those?
Okay, well the light fitting actually has been a bit of a challenge because the void is so large and so high that not many stores unfortunately sell a pendant of that size.
That's right.
So we had to get that custom made.
Okay.
And I think it looks gorgeous.
It's really beautiful, and I do know that it's so hard to find something that's got that kind of scale, so it fits in really perfectly. So tell me about the time frame for the build. Was it longer than usual just because of all the design elements?
I think any architecturally designed house of this magnitude is going to take longer than your standard build, in being that everything is custom made here. We did custom made stick framing in timber, which was supplied by Bowens, and I've been lucky enough to have a very good relationship with the guys down there, and they've helped me through the process of getting us, you know, high grade quality timber and really helping us with the project. So yeah, it did take us a little while, but I think in the grand scheme of things, I think we finished it in about 12 months. You know, it was quite fast for something of this level.
So I have to say this staircase is just inviting me to go upstairs. Could we go up and have a look at some of the bedroom spaces?
Let's
Sure,
go.
let's go.
Great. Okay, so we're in the master retreat, and what a retreat it is. It's absolutely stunning. I don't think I've ever seen such beautiful cabinetry. Is that timber?
Yeah, so it's American oak that's been stained, custom colour and finished to the client's wants. So
Be still my beating heart. I cannot tell you how excited I get about things like that. Those sorts of details have taken this whole space into that real 5-star luxury zone, haven't they?
yeah, so the cabinet maker did an amazing job on that. Even if you take a look at the detail in the grain, it's actually a horizontal grain, so he's grain matched every door to be able to flow consistently through. So there's a lot of effort, a lot of thought that's gone into it.
I can see it is just stunning. Am I the only one that gets excited about things like that?
It's every girl's dream.
It really is. And glass panels in there as well. It's just, I think it's one of the best wardrobes I've ever seen.
To have a wardrobe that you can also use as a bit of a showpiece for some of your more expensive items
is lovely.
Yeah, it's quite amazing.
Yeah. Really grand spaces. So even that ensuite bathroom feels like a master-sized bathroom. It's so big.
Oh, it's fantastic. And I particularly like the wall sconces. They give that little bit of a deco feel.
Yeah, I noticed that. That just takes it into a slightly different place, which adds that interest.
Absolutely.
Yeah, gorgeous. So what else have we got to see, Andrew?
So we've saved the best to last. Let's head downstairs and check out the rest of the house.
Sounds good. Oh, wow, this is absolutely gorgeous.
It's stunning, isn't it?
It really is. The feeling of space here and that lap pool, what a stunning outlook.
They've done an amazing job trying to get the formal and informal spaces within the house. So, you know, it is really an entertainer's house.
It really is. I love that the other room with the grand piano is obviously the formal living space, and this feels just as formal, really. But it's just beautiful, and the fireplace, everything here has been thought of.
So I think the front room is more the showpiece, and as you get down to the back here, this is more the family hub for the family to really enjoy the space in the house.
I think one of the really important elements with the way that we live today that you've really nailed here is that connection to inside and outside, and the ability to entertain. You've got that gorgeous servery there, and obviously this whole open plan space that opens out to that beautiful lap pool.
Yeah, so I think the thought process behind that is to have a low maintenance sort of landscape plan. I think a lot of people these days are very time poor and want to be able to enjoy their house without spending too much time on upkeep.
I have to say that cellar is just absolutely gorgeous on the way in here. There's so many things here to look at, but the cellar is just beautiful.
Yeah, I would agree. I think it's a hero piece of the whole house. They've done an amazing job getting such a nice space in under the staircase, and you know, we've been blessed that one of my friends from Smash Vino has supplied us with all the wine to decorate that for us. It's a bit of a showstopper for sure.
It really is. Well, this is just like being in your own private little resort, isn't it? Again, even on the outside, every little detail's been thought of here.
Yeah, there's no stone unturned with this project. We've really gone above and beyond to deliver something special, so we're really wrapped with how it's turned out.
So tell me a little bit about who the client is for this house.
So the clients actually that own the house, they actually put that on the market recently and has actually sold.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Did it get a good price?
So to my knowledge, it's actually it's broken records in the area.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's fantastic.
So they've done a really good job with it.
Well, yes, you've all done a very good job with that. Fantastic.